For some Warhammer 40,000 as well as some D&D back there. You guys are going to come out here and join us because around 3 o'clock we are going to jump into this full geek. Let's make some noise, guys. Say, woo!
Is kind of cut off from the rest of the world, and because of a disease that kind of keeps them secluded into an area.
Kind of post-apocalyptic.
A bit. And these are they are from another world called Nafia, where the main world hub is.
Cool.
And new portals pop up whenever new worlds pop up. Now, of course, this world has no idea other worlds exist.
Awesome.
And so they're sending them out just to kind of, hey, you're not our citizens. You can go die. We don't care. I'm sorry, but that is what it is. That's fair.
That's fair. Awesome. I need to play this game. And if you want to play this game, come on down to Poteau Games and jump into this full geek. All right, are you ready? What's your name, sir?
My name's Chris Counts.
Chris Counts. All right, without being racist, quick, what's your favorite race?
Stormcast.
Stormcast. That's a little racist, though, because it... Never mind. All right, so Stormcast. What do Stormcasters do?
These guys are soldiers.
It's okay when it's fictional racism.
Yeah, right.
Fictional
These
racism.
guys are soldiers of the god King Sigmar. They are the chosen from all mortal races who are reforged on the Azure Anvil.
The chosen. Are they just told that they're chosen, or are they actually chosen?
They get beat with hammers. I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta be
So
chosen.
they actually have warhammers.
Yeah.
And if you have 40,000 of them, you fit the game. All right. What is your favorite race and why?
Mine is Sylvaneth. We got tree people. We're like druids. We're angry nature, and we're going to kill people.
There's a lot of tree people right there. They look like they're ready to kick some ass right there.
They are Groot.
Groot, yes.
Yes.
We are Groot.
All the Groots.
You have all the Groots.
I had to.
That will be buying all the beers at the end because, will they win? Who's going to be the winner? Who's the one to fear?
Yeah,
Stormcast.
he's definitely the one to fear here.
He is the one to fear because he has the
Stormcast.
castle. You got to storm the castle.
Well,
Yes.
Stormcast.
Have fun storming the castle. Okay. So, who has the largest Warhammer? I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. All right. So,
Me?
what is this thing?
That is Celestant Prime. He is the first of the cast Celestant that was forged by Sigmar.
He's very
Awesome.
scary.
He's very scary.
He is very. Now, what are the Sigmar? Because I'm not new.
Sigmar's
I don't have money
Sigmar
for
Sigmar is a
to
person.
collect these. Sigmar is a person.
Sigmar is a person. He is kind of like the overarching god of the entire realm.
So he's a person god that is powerful to forge.
Yeah.
Things
that.
like
Yeah,
that.
He made that
He made that.
by hand.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's very lovingly. He took a lot of care
That's
to
his
make
favorite.
this.
That's his favorite kid.
That's his favorite. Oh yeah. Let me actually focus on the right guy there. There it is. What's his name again?
Celestant Prime.
Celestant Prime. Now, him versus Optimus Prime. Who wins?
That's a good question.
I'd probably say him.
I would say him.
Celestin Prime.
Yeah,
wins.
he pulls a meteor from the sky and drops it on people.
Him-
I mean,
Skeletron Prime.
Him versus Skeletron Prime. Who
From
wins?
Terraria.
that's my Terraria. That's a good question.
Who wins? You're the Terraria expert.
Well, probably him because he can crush him with a meteor.
That's
and
right.
He can die from a random
He is the
falling
winner.
star. So I think it's kind of obvious.
We've got the 40,000 Warhammers coming on right here at Poteau Games. So come down and check it out. We've also got some D&D in the back. Jump into this full geek with us. Well, there's a break. What is your campaign like?
My name is Lauren Sanfield. The campaign I run is Worlds of Nafia Gaming Community. This one is actually on the Worlds of Nafia. It is actually a multicultural world. There are 7 parties that are actually influencing with it right now. Today they are actually trying to do Revenge of the White Lady, which is one of the warring countries. One of the party members that is actually here is after her horde, and so they're actually trying to get her to throw her out of the war efforts. Hopefully they'll succeed. We don't know.
Politics. Would you say it's like a
Politics.
Game of Thrones? Dun, dun, dun.
It's pretty tough. It's crazy.
It's like a what?
It's crazy.
Hope you're throwing.
Yeah, it's
That's
allies
right.
and axis.
Axis and
That's
allies.
Totally what's going on.
In medieval times.
medieval times.
With magic.
Well,
and
with steampunk.
And guns.
And steampunk. And guns. That's always best. Guns. This sounds awesome.
Steampunk.
We'll have to play it. And it's at Poteau Games.
Poteau Games, Worlds of Nafia Gaming Community.
The start of the game. The
Good.
battle facing off.
D3 mortal wounds from lightning bolt.
On what?
Dryads, 2 mortal wounds.
Uh-oh. Metal people versus trees. And then there's this Groot guy who's not having any of his shit. Story time. Like that vine guy, right?
Now it's just to cast blessed weapons on communicators. 4 up. Good. Activate command ability.
We got the epic music.
Now we're gonna start rolling through.
We just need Howard to play by Howard. There you go. We do the announcing.
Nothing. Activation. Nothing.
What?
You're such a good co-host. Now his plan is to kill him before he gets a turn.
Activation.
I'll let you know if it comes true.
Nothing.
At Poteau Games.
Times he's at a 2 up because it goes up 1 and then down 1.
Things are not boding well
2
for
up.
Grandpa Groot.
And 2 up to wound. I need 3 saves and egg 1 round.
4 ups.
That's a lot of guys
One save.
for one
2
tree.
damage.
2 saves.
2 damage. Okay. 3 ups.
Well, I'm gonna let all those people know.
You're welcome for
This was the main refinery for it.
Once you said that,
Oh my god.
Treebeard has teleported away from the danger. He's rallied the troops. The music is on.
oh no.
This is the point where he turns it to the tide toward his side.
And for some reason, there's a swamp next to a desert.
Yes, which might work in his favor. People have been teleported away from treasure.
Great.
People have been teleported away from danger.
This could probably go horribly. But...
No Celestin Prime, right?
It's for all the marbles.
Okay.
You don't gotta worry about me dropping anything behind you.
Just captured a few moments.
These are all broken.
No, there is no.
This is just fragments of Christmas.
I was hoping I could get it. I like rock candy. So, Kirk, grab me some. Unfortunately, Kirk has another character who's found out that you can refine these and put them back together.
Scared by the explosion.
They're Trojan horsing. They're running a Trojan horse scheme.
There are arrows.
I am the Tree Lord, and I speak for the tree. They say it's going well. They're saying a lot about, but they're still in the game.
Where are you gonna charge him to?
There's a lot of facing off.
Nowhere?
The music's kicking in just at the right
isn't
moment.
anywhere within 7 inches. Because he can't fly.
He's gonna cast his spell.
Okay.
It's a 6.
Okay.
Successfully cast. Doesn't matter if you unbind it or not. It's
Doesn't matter.
successfully
Attempt to
cast.
unbind. What's he casting?
Trees have a
The
double
heal spell
turn.
himself.
The tides might just have
We're
turned.
gonna go ahead and attempt to unbind and 8 or higher.
Tear shed
Okay.
for all the trees lost.
So
Never get to fucking unbind.
he's gonna heal 5 wounds. Oh, he heals an additional 1 wound.
I'll wait for you to move into charges.
We are in the final stages of the treepocalypse. Treebeard is hanging on, but not for long.
No, I have every bit of confidence that if I didn't run Retributors, I couldn't win a game.
Yeah.
They're the best unit in my army as far as infantry goes.
This guy for the trees.
Well, it's because my